Welcome back. Here's part 2 of the Port Alberni cauliflower trip. This is the cooking portion, so I've already got the red juice milky cap started. My wife was just cleaning the chanterelle mushrooms for us, and she said to me, "What's this mushroom right here?" And if you turn it over and look at it, you can see gills inside there. If you look at the little button chanterelle, you can see ridges in there on the side of the stem. This one with the gills is a false chanterelle. And if you're not really paying attention, which obviously I wasn't, you pick these thinking that they're chanterelles. Well, there's a real chanterelle. It pays to keep your eyes open and have your wife clean your mushrooms for you. Now that we've sorted out what is and what isn't a chanterelle, let's get them chopped up. Well, that was shaking in some onions, carrots, and celery. Now, just simmer them until they're translucent. Add a couple of finely cubed chicken breasts and cook them until they're nearly done. Throw in all the mushrooms and simmer to release the juices. Add a cup of chicken stock and some flour to thicken it. Now stir in 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of sherry, and a couple of teaspoons of wine vinegar. With some self-rising flour, we made lids for each pie, and then it's into a 350 oven for 25 to 30 minutes until golden brown.